So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the Oracle VirtualBox for free on your Windows or Mac systems or any other operating system that you have. Now there's a little quick fix, there's a little quick way for that. Now just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you need to search for Oracle VirtualBox. Now once you simply search it, you'll see this option of downloads right there. Click on downloads, and from here you'll see this multiple options. Like if you have Mac with Apple silicon chips or Intel hosts as well, you can download both of them, or you can have it for the Linux distributions as well, or you can get it for directly Windows host for the same. Now once you get it and you'll install it on your system, it will look something like this. Now this is the basic infrastructure of Oracle VirtualBox. Now you can use it to run any other virtual machines directly on the system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.